Good morning, my lovelies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have received my Birchbox, so I'm going to do a Birchbox unboxing. What did I do with it? What did I do with it? What did I do with it? There it is. So I received the box. Let's get it open. Oh, it does say on the side, hello, nice to meet you. I'm 100% recycled and recyclable cardboard box. There you go. So let's get this one open. That inside of the box. So there's not a box in a box, it's that in a box. Okay. Righty-ho. Let's get my glasses on and I can see what's in here. Says the future is now on this leaflet here. Okay. Hello, Birchboxers. We're working on ways to make the beauty world a more sustainable place, starting by collaborating with Stasher to transform your April Birchbox into one of their reusable silicone bags. Not only can you use it as a totally airtight beauty bag, it's also suitable for cooking, storing or freezing food. Strange. Not strange, but strange having your beauty box. The road to a fully sustainable beauty industry is a long one. It says Stasher here, which is obviously, you know, the brand. It is a definite silicone, and mine's in this sort of turquoise colour. You could have had lemon or orange by the looks of it there. Mine's a turquoise colour, and it does feel strange. What would I use this for? Not quite what I was expecting. Right, okay, so I'm just going to go with the very first item, and it's called Green Frog Botanic. It's a shampoo bar. It's an argan oil and rose oil shampoo bar. The recommended retail price is £4.95, but I don't know if this is £4.95. I don't know if this is a full size or not. Argan oil and rose oil shampoo bar. I've never used a shampoo bar. Let me know what you think about it. Yeah, how interesting. You could use your pouch to keep your shampoo bars in. Then I've got Eugene's Organic Night Repair Oil. Say hello to glow with this cocktail of 7 organic oils that naturally aid skin's regenerations while you enjoy a peaceful slumber. Coconut and hazelnut oils repair, lavender and rosewood oils regenerate, and argan oil protects skin throughout the night. Wake up with silky soft, visibly healthier skin. The packaging is 100% recyclable and biodegradable. I wouldn't have said this is a full size, but that's what we've got. Let's give this a little smell. Just pop some onto my hand. Oh, it smells lovely. Oh, definitely getting the lavender. Oh, that does smell nice. Yeah, that smells really nice. I can imagine that helps you sleep. Yeah, love that one. Okay, I don't quite know how to pronounce this. Is it Gology? Gology? I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a Hydra replenishing booster. The full size is £33, packed with hyaluronic acid and natural marine active ingredients. Think algae, coast plants and seawater. This gelified moisturising serum is designed to deliver immediate hydration and comfort to even the driest of skins. Apply morning and evening and follow with moisturiser for soft, supple skin. Give this one a little try. Use this one on the other hand. Oh gosh, that came out a bit more sort of liquidy than I imagined. Feels nice. Feels really nice. And that, yeah, has gone straight in to my hand, my poor arthritic hand. So yeah, that's that one. So I'm definitely liking the oil, this one. Definitely liking this serum. I've yet to comment on the soap because I haven't used a shampoo bar before. I can see why they've sent the little pouches, you know. But yeah, I don't quite know what I'm going to use it for yet. Okay, next item from the Beauty Crop in its fabulous flocking lashes. The full size is £9 and this apparently is a full size product. So this would be £9. There we go. This waterproof, budget-proof formula is an everyday mascara of dreams. It's enriched with argan and jojoba oil to lengthen, thicken and nourish eyelashes from within. Plus, when it's time to take it off, the tubes around the lashes will slide off with warm water. No mess, no fuss. Well, that's a bit different, isn't it? I'm not going to open it because I don't need to use a new mascara at the moment, so I won't open it. So, you know, obviously I don't want any air to get in and start drying it out, but I look forward to using that one. Especially, I tend to get put off waterproof mascaras a lot because taking them off can be such a problem. I'm not blessed with good lashes anyway, so when I use a waterproof mascara, sometimes I can do so much damage and pull out lashes. But this one, it says with warm water, it just pulls it away, the little tubes. Interesting. Can't wait to try it. And then last but not least, a Marcel BB Cream Golden Glow Illuminator. Oh, that sounds nice. Recommended retail price is £25.50, but that's not a full size. The multitasking BB cream leaves a smooth, dewy complexion with minimal effort. It hydrates and soothes even tones, controls shine, lightly masks imperfections, and its light reflecting pigments help your skin look radiant. Formulated with aloe and chamomile, this BB cream hydrates and calms too. Oh, I've high hopes for this one then. So that's the size that we have. There's 10 mils here. So I'm assuming it might just come in this one colour. I don't know because doesn't say here at all that this is in any one particular shade. So let's just put some on. It's quite dark, but it's a BB cream, so it should blend out quite nicely. It's actually darker than it's looking here. That is nice. That feels lovely. Look. Just sort of, I mean, that's with. It just evens out that skin tone a little bit, doesn't it? Really like that. Very, very pleased with that. Can't wait to use it on my face. And then what's this in the box? Okay, how to use your stasher bag. Oh, why didn't I see this in the beginning? Right, so people have got bath salts in them. They've got cotton pads in them, all sorts of things. So there you go. That's what you can use your little bag for. But yeah, that's everything that I got in this month's Birchbox. The Birchbox was gifted to me for Christmas by somebody, so I don't know how much this particular subscription is, but I'm very happy with everything that's come this month. Yeah, especially the makeup products are amazing. Really looking forward to using all of these. The mascara and that oil, lovely. Even that, I need to give this a go. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a nice big thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love you to. And if you want to know when I've done my next upload, then please press the notification bell and then it'll come pinging through to let you know that I've done a new video. Until then, my lovelies, I'm going to say goodbye and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.